guys, so in today's video I'm going to be decorating some cookies and answering questions because a lot of the times when I do these, well, I guess this one isn't even a baking video. I figured I'd done a couple baking videos. Also, I just don't like being in the kitchen because it's like the main part of the house and I feel like everyone can hear me. So right now I'm in the basement. We have this little kit that my parents got a year ago, so we can't eat them, I feel. It just comes with icing and sprinkles and stuff to decorate little gingerbread men, and I did one the other day. This is an example. This one's mine and this one is Connor's, but yeah, that's just what they're gonna look like. And a lot of these ones have little green fondant and like red icing that it came with, but all the icing is kind of weird. I think I salvaged some of the white, but I think just because it's like a year old, some of the icing was rough, but we have some of our icing and sprinkles and stuff. So yeah, I thought it'd be fun to just take advantage of this and decorate it because I don't think we're gonna use it. And I put on my Instagram story to ask me any Christmas questions or just regular questions, like I was saying or trying to say in the beginning. Usually when I do baking videos, I forget to ask questions and it's like not really that fun of a process, so I like just talking throughout it. And especially now when I'm not even baking, I'm just decorating. Have some coffee here, and you guys can't see, but this big candle, oh my gosh. Only one little wick can light though. It has 3 in there. Trying to set the mood down here. I'm actually at my mom makes a little wrapping station each year, if you can see, so she just has all the paper and stuff, and there's like some presents that we finished behind me. But yeah, let me show you guys what we have so far. So I think we have 6 total here, so I guess it comes with 8 since we used 2 of those. It came with these little bags and tips to put on the end, which I really like using icing like that. Like I said, I don't know if this is gonna work really well because I was trying to squeeze it out and it like wasn't even coming out. This is the icing that came with it, so we'll see how that works. But if that doesn't work, we have these couple icings that we used for our sugar cookies, and I just have them upside down to make sure that all the icing is near where it's supposed to come out. And then it comes with these cute little candy balls, and then we have this red and this black that works well. I forgot though, this reminded me, we have a few other sprinkles upstairs, so I think I'm gonna go get that. I'm back with the sprinkles, and I also got this little tree, so maybe that can get us some good lighting since it's kind of dark down here. So I'm gonna open this and take one of the little gingerbread men, and I think first I'm just gonna try and do an outline, like, you know, kind of the basic where they just do like a little outline and maybe a little like design and a face. So I'm gonna try that either with this or the other icing. Yeah, I'm squeezing so hard and this just like isn't coming out. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one and you just twist this. I'm gonna try and make a little outline. I think we got this one this year, so this one's working well. It's kind of hard to squeeze out though. All right, I made the outline successfully. What is your favorite tradition to do? My dad will always read us the night before Christmas, like to me and my brothers, and it's only like 2 minutes long, you know, like it's a short book and it doesn't last long, but I just like it because me and my brothers are getting older and we've just done it every year and it just reminds me of being little. So I think that's a fun little thing that we do, and we just do that on Christmas Eve every year. These buttons are kind of big. Okay, it's not too bad. I don't know if I should do here. I'll do a little design on the arms. I'm trying to do a little like zigzag, but it's not really working, so we'll let him cool and we'll start our next one. Oh no, a couple broke. They're legless. Wow, I feel bad. I really just took those guys' legs off. I don't even know how that happened. Second one. What's your favorite ornament on your tree? So a lot of the ornaments we have are from places we've been, or just like little pictures of us when we were little. I don't think I really have a favorite. I like them all because it just reminds me of traveling with my family, and we always have stories because I think it didn't happen this year, but usually someone breaks one every year, so it's funny to like remember which ornament people broke. But I don't think I have a favorite ornament. I like them all. Maybe the one that has an A on it. What's your favorite thing about Christmas? All right, as I answer this one, I think I'm going to, I want to use this red and the black to make a face, but I like to have a little foundation, so maybe I'm gonna make this whole thing white, and then I think I'm gonna like outline it red. Just giving you guys my thought process. But favorite thing about Christmas, oh, I didn't bring a knife down. Why do I keep forgetting stuff? Let me go grab a knife to spread this out. All right, got a little spreading knife. I don't think I have one favorite thing again. Maybe just like the feeling, like I feel like it's just so warm and happy. I'm really happy because it snowed a lot this year. Well, it only snowed once, but it's literally lasted like a week, and we made snowmen and sledded. Is that what you say, sledded? We went sledding. I think that's right. I think I need to add a little bit more for this side. And I love giving gifts. I don't know, I just love the people in my life, and it's just so fun giving gifts to people, so I think that's a really nice part of Christmas too. And just being with family. I know it's kind of hard this year, but usually, you know, so I think that's my favorite thing. I think just a time when everyone comes together. Like, I think it's so sweet how everyone puts lights lights up, and it's just like kind of a community thing. And obviously, Christmas music is really good. I feel like there's just so much that comes along with Christmas that's fun. Like you can always just like think of things to do. So yeah, I don't know. I think just the activities is my favorite thing about Christmas. That's what I'd say. All right, we have the foundation. And like I said, I think I'm gonna use this red to basically just outline, kind of like what I did with the white, but on top of this white base. What's your favorite Christmas movie and song? Oh, Bella's coming down here. My favorite Christmas movie, I think, is Elf. I know it's a basic one. And song, I don't think I have a song. Maybe Last Christmas. I really like that one. I like older ones too. Do you prefer to receive/buy lots of little presents or big presents? I would say little, just because I think the best things are little. I don't know, and like a little box is so intriguing. And also for giving to other people, you could totally just get them something like one little thing. But I think giving them like multiple little things that you know that they'll like is a good way to go about it too, because then they get kind of a variety instead of like one big thing. Unless you know like they just want one thing. All right, this is my second one so far. I think I'm gonna put some sprinkles on the inside because he's looking a little plain right now. Favorite Christmas cookie? I'm gonna use these sprinkles that are like red and white. I think sugar cookies would be my favorite because you're just able to decorate them yourself and eat the ones you made, and they're colorful and fun, and to me they taste the best. So definitely sugar cookie. This is my little gingerbread man, if you can see the sprinkles. I almost thought I beheaded him. I like grabbed it by the head and I heard a little crack. That would not have been good. Do you like Christmas Eve or Christmas Day more? Definitely Christmas Day, just because we don't really do anything Christmas Eve except, like I said, read, and we do put cookies out for Santa, and I think we spread the reindeer food too. So actually I guess all that would be part of my tradition. I kind of forgot we did all that. So yeah, that's all we do on Christmas Eve, and obviously that's late at night, and usually my mom works Christmas Eve, so it's not too much of an exciting day. So I definitely think Christmas, because obviously you have Christmas morning, and then usually throughout the day we're preparing for people to come over for Christmas dinner. So I think that day is the best because it's literally Christmas. What's your favorite thing to do around the holidays? I like seeing lights, probably decorating cookies and gingerbread houses and things like that. Or watching movies by the fireplace. I think that's cozy too with like hot chocolate. Oh, ice skating. I'm excited. I think we're gonna go ice skating and see lights and go to a little Christmas village. It's all outside close to where we live, but that'll be really fun to do. What are you doing for Christmas? Also, pause. This mouth really didn't go as planned, but he's looking cute. Maybe I'll try and fix that up. Just gonna do our little Christmas morning. We always open presents and our stockings, and we always like sit and just like take turns, like me and my two brothers and my parents. Like I'll go and then my brother will go. We'll just like sit and watch everyone because then it just lasts longer. We usually all eat breakfast together. Candy canes or peppermint bark? Honestly, I don't really like either. I would say candy canes just because sometimes that's fun to put in your hot chocolate, but I don't really like peppermint bark. I haven't had any this year. He's a little plain, but he looks happy. I think I'm gonna do another one like this because I really like this one, but maybe with black icing. We want vlog for Christmas like last year. I assume you're talking about Vlogmas, and honestly I wish I did. I did do it last year. I just felt really overwhelmed. I think I ended up doing it like every other day, and I don't know. I do feel like I could have definitely posted more videos this year. But I don't know, it's a learning lesson for next year. I think maybe next year, like I saw this one girl do just a week of Vlogmas leading up to Christmas, so she was able to just like do Christmassy things probably earlier in December and then just post vlogs from it. So I think that would be nice. Or I saw people do it like week by week. I just remember the feeling of last year and I just felt so overwhelmed. Like I said, I feel like I've definitely had time, and it would have been a good way to kind of, I don't know, just do more Christmassy things in time for Christmas. But I'm hoping that, let me know down below if you'll still watch some, because I know there's a couple more, like I don't even know if it's necessarily Christmas, but just like winter things I want to do and vlog. So hopefully that'll still be good to watch after Christmas. Favorite scent? Pine tree, or like anything like Christmas tree scent. I think that's really good for Christmas. Wait, this kind of looks like, I don't have any colored things to do like Christmas lights, but the way it came out, it made little loops and it just made it look like Christmas light wire. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna put these little things around it to make it look like little Christmas lights. Do you feel the Christmas spirit this year? I don't know. I think it kind of goes in phases with me every year. Like some days I'll feel like it's Christmas, some days I'm like, whoa, how is it like kind of like today, even though I'm doing Christmassy things, I'm like, how is Christmas like 5 days away, you know? But I feel like as long as I'm doing Christmassy things and at least trying to get in the Christmas spirit, I can't really help if I don't really feel that way. I think I am in the Christmas spirit. It's harder as you get older, but I try my best, and usually I do feel in the Christmas spirit. I watch The Grinch like basically every year. Oh, I put the knife in the design. Sorry guys, these cookies are not the cutest. But when Cindy Lou Who is singing Where Are You Christmas, like, it's so relatable. Like I said, most of the time I'm feeling in the spirit, and I don't know, also it's fun to appreciate Christmas when you're older, you know, you don't always have to be like young, and it's kind of fun like being able to get gifts for others and helping prepare and stuff, just doing like things you wouldn't be able to do if you were younger, you know. But anyway, I don't know, that was such an elaborate answer for that. All right, this is this cookie. You can see I put little silver. I thought maybe it would be a little too much if I had put like colorful sprinkles, since we have little colors out here. But actually, should I add a face? I don't know. I feel like I should add a face. I'm gonna add one. I'll do it with red. I don't have a napkin, but I'm like literally scared to lick this icing. I see a lot of questions about like the best gift I've gotten. I like all my gifts. Like, it's not like I can't think of like a good gift. I can't think of like one that's like my favorite ever. I really like all of them. Also, this is my little face. Completed the look. All right, we're gonna go into these guys. All right, this one's pretty plain, but this one just needed to come to an end. Like, he's a mess. It looks like a ghost, but it's just white with green, red, and white sprinkles. We have the next little legless one. Do you prefer sentimental or realistic gifts? I would probably say sentimental. I usually probably ask for realistic things, just things that I think I would need throughout the year. But sentimental gifts are just, I don't know, it's something you can't buy and it's so sweet, so probably say sentimental. Is this your favorite holiday? No, Halloween is my favorite holiday. Gonna make little buttons going down. I'm gonna add some sprinkles on top of this one. I'm so curious about this one. What time does your family wake up on Christmas morning? Honestly, I feel like it's kind of early. I feel like I just still get excited, so I'm up probably like latest 8, and then I think we'll probably open them around like 9ish because my brother's kind of sleeping. So I would probably say around 9, 10, somewhere around there. Also, this is the finished product of this one. He's outlined and he has little silver sprinkles, if you can see that. Here are all of our beautiful gingerbread men. I'm kind of scared to like hold it up because I feel like they're gonna slide off. They're not the prettiest, and some, you know, they're missing some body parts, but they're all beautiful. All the different ones are beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great Christmas so far. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you later.